Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crownedksutherland. Thank you so much for stopping by to view one of my videos. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for stopping by. So guys, today we'll be doing a wig review. You know, once I get on here with my wig cap on, you know what time it is. And my wig cap is looking a little dusty, but that's okay. It's because I wear it a lot. So today's wig is brought to you by Klaiyi. I hope I said that right, but I'm gonna show y'all the box so you can see. I don't know if I pronounced it right though, but it's brought to you by KlaiyiHair. Today's wig is a closure wig, guys. I don't know if you know this, but there has been like a shortage on lace, like the corona, everything. It has affected like every single industry, even the hair industry. So there's a shortage on like lace frontals. So right now, headband wigs, closure wigs are the thing. So they sent me a closure wig and it came in this box that I showed you, and this is their Brazilian body wave wig, and it's a 4x4. I'll list the details down below, and it comes with the wig cap and a headband for the wig as a free gift. So yeah, this is the hair. The only pros right now I can see to these like closure wigs are that they're easy to apply. It's not a lot of work. If you were not like into frontals and frontals like gave you trouble, then right now it's your season, sis, because it's all about like closures. So this is the wig straight out of the packaging, and it's really pretty. Like the waves are nice. The hair feels so good. I feel like I want to wear it in the natural state with the natural like waves that come with it, because it looks super pretty. It feels so full. Really nice hair. You can tell straight off the bat that this is some really good hair. It looks really nice and it feels nice. I was just about to say really again, but I won't, but it feels so good. It is a 4x4. This is the inside of the wig. It has the scalp area right here, and guys, these wigs don't come with that much lace. It literally has like a little parting space at the top, so there's not like any space to like change the parting. You just have to keep it like a straight part. But yeah, this wig is really good for a beginner, or if you've never done like lace, this is really good for you. And the wig has combs on the insides. It has a comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps, and you'll definitely need the adjustable straps for this kind of wig. I reviewed a wig like this before, and the adjustable straps really work out because it helps the wig to like stay in place on your head. I didn't use any like sprays or anything. I'm not sure if I'll spray it down. I'll try to spray it down and see if that works, but for the wig that I did before, I didn't spray it down. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the lace that's on there, and I'll just apply the wig, and then I'll come back and give you like my final thoughts. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like once I got it on my head. I cut the extra lace off the front and I used my Got2b freeze spray to like get it in place. I don't know if my center is like on center. Y'all know I got problems with centers. Like if you watch my videos, you'll know I'm always having troubles like finding the center. But I use the freeze spray so it's like frozen in place. I don't want to like shift it to like lift all that up. It's just gonna be a mess, so we're gonna work with it for now. This wig though, like it's super full, like it's so full. It's really full, it's really nice. My only issue is that, you know, it's not like a frontal. Because I've gotten so used to like lace frontals, it's kind of hard getting back to just like closures, but we're gonna let it work because this is like some really good hair. I really like the pattern, as I said in the beginning. I don't want to do nothing like crazy to the hair. I'm just gonna use my curling wand and maybe like put like 2 little curls at the front here, but that's literally it. I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see how long this hair is. So it comes down to my bust area. It's supposed to be like 24 inches, but I think it looks shorter than 24 only because it's a curly unit, but when you stretch it, it is 24 inches. But I'm gonna plug my curling one in and I'm gonna curl it, and yeah, we're gonna slay. Like, shortage of lace ain't no problem. Like, we work with whatever we get and we're working closures. And as I said, if y'all are a beginner especially, you would love this. Like, it's not much work. You just cut off the little lace at the top and you just grab it and go. Takes like a second to just slap it on your head, and if you want to, you can add curls, whatever, and you're like good to go. Or you can just wear the curls that come with it because it looks really cute. Okay, y'all, so my final thoughts on this unit. It's a really nice unit, super easy, grab and go. It's like the new thing right now. Like literally these wigs have been like too easy. Like you don't need no kind of like expertise. It's just like grab, go, and you're out the door. I like the hair on this wig a lot. Like it's really nice Brazilian hair. It feels good. And it hasn't shed. Like I curled the hair and I did brush through the hair a few times and it has not shed. That's nice. Like it's not shedding, and yeah, it's pretty full, guys. I wanted like a layered look, but I'm not that good with doing layers, so I didn't want to like mess this wig up, especially because it's such a nice unit and then it's easy. So if I gotta go somewhere real quick, like if I gotta go on the road and I ain't got time to do no extra stuff, I can just put this on and I'll still look like super cute. So yeah, I didn't want to mess it up, but if you get this unit, you can definitely like put some layers in it because I feel like it'll just be like flowy if it had layers. Maybe I'll try to get someone to put layers in it for me, but I don't think I'm gonna do it myself. But yeah, this wig overall is a really good unit. It doesn't shed much, it's really full, and it's easy. You just have to cut the lace off. Let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Like, what do y'all prefer? Do y'all like these new wigs, like these fake scalp wigs, basically these 4x4 closure wigs that are now trending, that are now like the thing? What do y'all like? Or do you guys like miss like full lace wigs or lace frontals? Like, let me know down below. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Thank you for watching another one of my videos, guys, and I'll catch you in my next one.